If you're working with international clients and still using local business setup, you might be limiting your growth without even realizing it. I have been working with multiple entrepreneurs who have been struggling with payments, scalability, and credibility until they switch to a US LLC structure. In this video, I will show you how you can use US LLC to work with international clients and build a more scalable business. Let's start with why this actually matters. When you're dealing with clients from different countries, trust becomes very important. A US LLC gives you global credibility. Clients are usually more comfortable working with a US LLC based company. It feels more reliable, more structured, and more professional. On top of it, it unlocks access to international payments like Stripe and PayPal that are often restricted or limited in many countries. This means faster payments, fewer restrictions, and better experience for your clients. Step-by-step process. Now, let's break it down into practical structures that you can follow step by step. You need to register your US LLC. Most non-resident of USA choose Wyoming or Delaware to set up their company in the US because it's quite simple and business friendly. The setup itself is straightforward. You don't necessarily need to be present in the US. On top of it, you don't even need a visa. But what matters is how you build the structure from the beginning. Our team helps clients and entrepreneurs set it up correctly, supporting all sort of payments, banking, and long-term scalability. Get your EIN. The EIN is essential. Without that, you cannot open a bank account or operate correctly. As a non-resident, you can directly apply without even having an SSN. This is one of the most important steps, so it has to be done correctly. Open a business bank account. Now this is where things get practical. You will need a US compatible bank account to receive payments from international clients. Traditional banks may require you to travel to the US, but there are many remote friendly options and fintech companies that works very well for non-residents. The key is making sure your company document, EIN, and the structure aligns. Set up payment gateway. Once your banking is ready, you can integrate payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal. This is where the real advantage come in. You can now accept payments globally, invoice clients professionally, receive funds in USD or other currencies. This creates a seamless experience for your clients, which directly impacts your conversion rates and your clients. Structure your operations. Now that everything is set up, you need to operate it correctly. Always make sure to keep your business finances separated from your personal finances and maintain a proper record. This not only keeps you compliant, but also makes your business scalable. Stay compliant. Even if you're a non-resident, compliance is required. This basically includes annual filings, basic bookkeeping, understanding your tax obligations. Just because you're operating internationally doesn't mean you can ignore all of these responsibilities. Common mistakes to avoid. Let me quickly point out few common mistakes. First, opening an LLC without understanding banking. This creates delays and unnecessary complications. Second, mixing personal and business transactions. This leads to confusion as well as potential compliance issues. Third, assuming you don't have any tax obligations. That's not always true. It depends on your residency and your structure. And fourth, choosing the wrong setup on generic advice. Every business is different and your structure should reflect that. So to summarize this, your US LLC is a powerful tool for you to work with international clients. It gives you credibility, access to global payment system, and a structure that supports scaling your business. But the key is not just setting up a company. It is making sure that you use it correctly. When everything is aligned, company structure, bank account, and operations, you create a system that works smoothly across borders. If you're serious and ready to set up a US LLC and want to avoid all the minor mistakes that many entrepreneurs make while starting out, connect with me with the link which is mentioned below. Me and my team will help you step by step and guide you how you can form a US LLC. If you found this video useful, like this video, subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next one.